Hello everyone, and welcome back to Budget with Kat. This is an exciting video because I'm going to be exchanging my sinking funds in here for my $500 replacement slips. I have been waiting and waiting to do this, so I decided to go ahead and do my end of the month cash stuffing so that everything could possibly be close to 500 would be there, and then I could do the exchange. So if you like these kind of videos, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, do all the things, subscribe. I would love that. And then I forgot to mention that I'll be doing a giveaway. I have 85 subscribers. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I didn't even think 8 people would watch. So thank you so much for doing that. When I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to give away a gift card, probably for about $10 or $15. I know that's not very much, but hey, baby steps, right? So I have gotten this envelope ready so it's easier to count and it'll go by faster. So if you like bill exchanges, keep watching. Here we go. Let's see if I can do this. So this is the HOA fund and it should have $550. So I'm just going to pull out the 500. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here is 5. Done and done. So 20, 40, 50 is what should be left. And I'm going to put this over here and this over here. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to pull out the 500 exchange slip here and put it in here, and we are good to go. 550. All right, next one, land taxes. Because I put in my extra $40 today, it actually got up to 510, and now I can exchange it. So again, I'm just going to try and find my 500. So there's 1, 2, 3, 350, 70, 90, 4. So there's your 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's my extra 10. So I'm going to pull out my 500 replacement slip. So I have my 510. I'm going to pull this money over and organize it over here. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me get it all into frame. Okay, so here's my 510. And the envelopes are getting skinny. Woohoo! Okay, and then my Virginia taxes is only $460, so I'll exchange that next time. Income tax is $571. So I'm just looking for my $500. So we'll do it like this: 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 50, 70, 90, 500. Did you like how I did that? I went ahead and organized it ahead of time because it's too stressful to count these things wrong. And then I should have 71, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move this $500 over. And then I'll do another bit of an exchange here in a minute. And then my 20s. And then my 10s. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have $71 left over. And I know I have it here because I've already counted it. So I'm just going to pull it out. Here's 50, 60, 70, and here's the 1. So I should have 571, and that's what's going to go in the envelope. And then I'm just going to take this and move it over. Let's move the 1s over, and the 5s, and the 20s. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy, 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 you guys. It's amazing how fast this adds up. And if I can do it, you can do it. So Christmas has the same amount, 571. I'm going to do the same thing so I can just stay sane here. So here's 100, here's 200, here's 300, 50, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. So I'm just going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, $500. And that's going to go over here. Oh my goodness. I get to deposit so much money into the account. I can't even tell you. I'm so excited. And then this should be 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the 71 and I'm going to pull out a 50, a 20, and a 1. So there it is. So there's my 571. And that's what's going to go in the envelope. And this is going to go over here. There we go. Let me organize this. Awesome. Okay. My miscellaneous savings only has 267, and I don't even know if that can be condensed, but yeah, it probably can be. Let's go ahead and do that too. 20. No, I think I'm going to come back to this. Let me come back to this. Because I should have 267. I'll just wait. Stay focused, Kathy. Stay focused. I think that is it. I think that's all I'm going to do for now. I exchanged this one. I exchanged this one. This one I can probably condense down. It's 460. Let's see what I have. I think I already have 400. 20, 40. I mean, 100, 200, 300. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's go ahead and just give it 100. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, let's go ahead and just make these nice and neat. And then, let's see. This one is done. 471. This one is done. This was the 267. Let me see. 100, 200, 20. Yeah, I can do the 67. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. So for the 67, I'll do 50, 60, 5, 6, 7. 100, 250, 60, 65, 66, 67. There we go. A little bit more condensing. All right. So now we are finished. That's all we're going to do. So let's organize and count this up. All right, so let's count up what we're going to deposit. This is so exciting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Here's 100, 200, 50, 300. I'm gonna put this aside. 20, 40, 60, 80, 400. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. 20, 40, 60, 80, 700. 20, 40, 60, 80, 800. And then I'm going to combine these to have 50, 70, 90. There's 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's left should total 1,000. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So exciting. Look at that. And all of that has been my work since June. June, July, August, not quite 4 months, saving and saving and saving and saving. And all of this gets to go into the bank. So if I can do it, you can do it. just takes a little bit at a time, and you can have these same kind of results. So if you like this video, please be sure and like it, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Have a great day.